Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidun Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidun Majid. Today I am describing here the great topic of tenses, time, present time, past time, future time, present tense, past tense and future tense. In Hindi, people say them Bhavish Kal, Vartan Kal and Bhoot Kal. Astrology also describes these tenses also according to the zodiacal signs. So I am here pointing the three topics. There are 12 zodiacal signs. If anyone, if we are writing here present, past and future. This is present, future and past. According to natural division of zodiacal signs, they are divided in 3 times: Aries, Taurus, Gemini. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio and Sagittarius. Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. These zodiacal signs belongs to present tense. These zodiacal signs belongs to future tense, and these zodiacal signs belongs to past tense. And this division helps to astrologers to predicate a yearly or periodly birth charts. When they make them, they use this formula. I am not going to a detail. I am simply here teaching you a way that which are your signs. Suppose man Suppose man has name with M. A person his name is Michael. Suppose his name is Michael. Now we are here seeing that what is his chart. Suppose first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now his name is belongs to Leo zodiacal sign. No need of time, no need of birth chart, no need of any details. Only you ask his name and now this is Leo. This is Virgo and this is Libra. This is Scorpio and this is Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. Now Leo is present of this person. This person's present. And this is future. This is past. Present, future, past. Present, future, past. Present, future, and past. Now in a system you have seen this chart. Now I am going to a graphic system, table system. You have learned this is present, future, and past. And Michael is a Leo zodiacal sign. Now first we keep here Leo. Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. If we want to learn about the bhoot of any person, in according to Hindi astrology, bhoot are past time tense, past tense or time. Then we see here Libra, Capricorn, Aries, and Cancer. These things will tell about her time. Libra tells nearly past and other more informative period of past tense. And secondly, if we want to see the future time, then we have to study we have to study this table and called Bhavishkal, our future time. And if anyone wants to study about the present times, then he have to study this this table. So it is easily understandable and easy to learn if anyone understand the present, future, and past. Keep a present first in first house, future in second house, and third is past. So same way, whole the zodiacal chart will be divided in three tenses, and you can predicate, understand, or learn about any person's hurdles and problems. In next my video, I will I will teach you the about the hurdles. Either they are come from your forefathers or these hurdles are yours, or these hurdles are in future or present. They will be you will be understand them easily. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. And same way, if we want to know about the past tense or a bhutkal or in uh, Punarjanam system in Hindi, in Indian traditions, people believe that man was remained in Punarjanam and he rebirth. But according to the astrology, everything that possesses mass and soul is comes when comes on earth is its birth chart will make. And now the houses which are belongs to past tense, you see there, and you can consider over them that which stars were weak. If they were weak, it can be a curse or a bad prey for anyone from other his relatives or beggars which are on his elders. It is the curse of elders which uh, which creates hurdles and problems for a baby born. Suppose I have said that I am making a chart. This is Leo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Suppose Leo is first. If Leo is first, then this is present, this is past, now these four houses of Leo are his past. If you are making a chart of anyone, house number 3, house number 6, house number 9, and house number 12 belongs to past tense. Now you consider, suppose this is the 12th house, and 12th house of Leo is a Cancer. If here is Mars, if here is Mars, star Mars is here star Mars is weak, Mars is weak, then we think that his his soul was captured in wars, and his soul observes and dreams the fights, because his bhoot his past was his soul was in wars, in fights, and this is creating problems for him. According to astrology and according to the ilmul jafar, according to the knowledge of letters and numbers, and according to the spirituality, here we do the remedy. We do the remedy of Mars. Mars remedy should do. we have to do Mars remedy. And the spiritual problems and body problem that creates diseases, either they are spiritual or physical problems, they will be removed. In same way, in same way, and this is the past perfect. This house belongs to past perfect tense. Very, very past. Very past. And this house is near past. Near past. If here is any star is a reverse retrograde, then we have to do a remedy such as this is Leo, Virgo and Libra. Suppose this is Libra and here is uh, Mercury. Mercury is weak. Suppose here is Mercury weak or retrograde. Then we thought that in near past, this man is under the curse of their relatives, near relatives, brothers and sisters, and this is called. And we have to do the remedy here, the Mercury. And if here is, suppose this is the sixth house is Capricorn. If sixth house is Capricorn, then this house is much more past. This house belongs to more past. And if any star is here, either it is reverse or retrograde or weak, then we can suppose here is sun. Suppose here is sun, then we can do the remedy of sun. Remedy of sun. Here we do remedy of Mercury. Here we do remedy of sun. And if there here is ninth house is Sagittarius. And we say, suppose here is Saturn. Then we do here the remedy of Saturn. In this way we can know the problems of present, past and future. mostly people say which are interested in our world, the past, what was his soul in past. Then we see these past tense houses and stars, and this will tell us the psychological, spiritual, and body and his soul. What was his soul in past when he was not in on earth, he was not in born. And this is called the bhout kal also in Hindi or Indian spiritualities. And we can do here, these are also the doors of a knowledge, doors of spiritual knowledge. If you understand my chart, I will, in my other lessons, I will tell you that how it is beneficial and how we can do. According to Islamic knowledges, we can't worship of any star, but we understand the knowledge. Only we understand the knowledge. Our scholars know these uh, these astrological charts and their effects and their treatments, how to treat a person, how to remove the spiritual diseases. So I will hope that you will understand uh, my this lesson, and if you are not understanding, then you can ask your question from in comment box. Khuda Hafiz.